giving joy. Come on, I'm singing. Yes.
What's your Instagram?
Right, team, honestly, I love the love hearts in the chat team. Thank you so much for that. Keeping the love going. Loads of love. Right, team, right now. How many people are watching the live right now? Spam the chat and let me know how many people are watching the live right now. Because my eyes are not as good as they used to be. I want to borrow your glasses. No, I'm only joking. Yeah. Right, 1,000 and how many? 1,100 people watching.
It means making tasteful love. Yeah, you know.
Ready?
Can I get some vibes going on? Oh, all the R&B heads, make some noise. That was R&B heads.
We are.
What's your Instagram?
You know the words. When we made love, this is all night long. Without wanting that, to make the feelings again so bright. So much you forever, baby. Nobody wants to come dance with me. I don't know what's coming dance with me. It's alright.
I'll just stand there. You just. Bad idea.
Bad idea. Okay, no, you know what I mean? We love everyone. Hey, come here. I know you like R&B. Come bubble up here. And then you know when I talk back, when we made love, and this is tomorrow, all night long. To make this feeling once again, so won't you, for us, baby. Inside and out the love making love until you're tired to take it down. But oh, come on, turn the lights down and let me get on. Just when we do, just me and you, it'll be so right, so right.
He's commanding. He's so
Somebody rockin', baby. Yeah. And give me some good love. Somebody Oh, you guys can follow me at anything. My name's Elisa Marie, that's Alpha November, Echo Sierra Alpha, Mother Alpha, Romeo India, Echo. Yeah. Right. We're going to do one more song and then I'm going to go home because I've got a show tomorrow. Yeah, man. So this is one of my latest songs. Both of them actually my latest songs, but this is called If Only For One Night. Dance. Bubble. Stupid. Come on. Come on, Sabrina. Make some noise for Sabrina. I just wanna taste your love. Let me hold your hand. Undress you last time. Yeah. shy, baby, I'm weak. You get the weight up. I love that. This is called If Only for a Night, made by Fraser the Third, written by me, sang by me. Boy, I just wanna taste you. Let me hold your hand and dress you last time. Yeah, yeah. Don't be shy, baby. I'm here. This moment is real. I'm loving your body so much. I wanna replace you for your kind of money. Hey, you know that I'm treating you right. Can I spend the rest of the night? And I hope that yo, listen, I said I know I'ma eat up. When she ski up, she's surfing on my way trip, trying to come on bluff. You don't bust it wide open, push it on me, that's my ass. Roll back, I'm doing this. I said, I'm really think she got me so good that her ocean gets sick. Pressure is spinning, I know it's a kick. Pushing so hard that it's like it's a she feeling for some, but they can't see me. No, I get girls to the man that wanna size me up. Drinking my cup, Psalm 23, so we stay so. That's right, and one up on the left side. See we are back right. But you look pretty with some fun guys. Don't be shy, baby, over here. Only this moment is real. Sorry, babe. Sorry. I know that you've been working on me. I give you something you can feel. Loving the next one, you guys been amazing. Thank you so much. Y'all can follow me on anything. Instagram, Instagram, TikTok. My name is Anissa. Spotify, Apple Music, Bandcamp, everything. ANEESAMARIE. Peace out, love. Thank you.
That was absolutely amazing. If you enjoyed that, I want to